Hi everyone. This week the 5 to 12-year-olds will find in their Craft and Go kit the supplies to make this very cute, adorable, cheeky little scarecrow magnet. So let me scoot you in closer and we'll get started on making our craft. Alright my friends, let me show you what you'll be receiving in your craft kit this week. So you will find inside a full color printable of a scarecrow. You'll also find one that is in black and white, and that one you are free to decorate any way you want. You will also find 2 craft sticks, a sunflower, 2 sets of googly eyes, 4 foam adhesive squares, and 2 magnets. What you will need to provide is a pair of scissors and a marker of your choice if you would like to add some details to your scarecrow friend after you're finished. This project is probably going to take about 40 to 45 minutes in total to complete. So the first thing that you're going to do is use your scissors to cut out your scarecrow friend. I have already taken the time to do so. So here are my pieces and let's get started. So I am going to take my adhesive square and cut it into 4ths. Just like so. And on the back of the head, put these aside a little bit, I'm going to take the paper, the adhesive paper off of each side because this is sticky on both sides, and place it down towards the bottom, just like that. And then take the scarecrow's top torso and place that on the adhesive square, just like that. So next, our scarecrow needs his arms. I'm going to take another adhesive square, just cut it completely in half. Again, remove the adhesive backing from each side, and then we're going to lay this one across the back side of the torso, and then place the arms on that sticky side, and you want the arms to come in about halfway. It's already looking cute. And then you're going to do the same thing to the bottom. See where this V is right here? Let me get a little bit closer. This little V in the shirt, you're going to put the adhesive strip right above there and attach the legs. So again, remove the adhesive from the adhesive paper from your sticky foam. Place that just a little bit above the V, and then we're going to attach legs. And you want the ribbon right here to be on the outside of the leg. Now, oops, here we go. He's looking cute. I love his little crooked head. All right, so now we are going to attach our scarecrow to our craft stick. And you do that by cutting another adhesive foam in half, peeling off the paper, to be like about, just kind of size it up on the back, and then put down the adhesive foam, just like that. I think you can also put another one right here if you'd like. There we go. Now every scarecrow needs a crow friend, so we're going to put one on top. So you take a piece of adhesive foam, put it on the back of your crow, and place him on the Scarecrow's hat. He's really cute. And we need some eyes and a sunflower. I think I'm going to do the sunflower first. Get a piece of foam. Remove the paper. Oh, this one got a little bit stuck. Put it on the back of your sunflower. I think I'm going to put my sunflower right here. That looks nice. Next step is our little eyes. And for this one, you're going to take one of the smaller pieces of adhesive foam and cut that smaller piece even smaller into quarters. So you have 2 small squares. Take off the backing. This is where you get to practice your pinchy skills. Put that on the back of the googly eye. And attach that eye to your Scarecrow. And do the same for the other side. Remove the back. Place it on the eye. And there we go. Okay, and for the back, we're going to put on a magnet. And these are also adhesive. So you just remove the back. Place it on your craft stick. And it'll be ready to hang up. Now at this point, you're completely finished. If you'd like, you can use a marker to give your Scarecrow some freckles. I think that looks really cute. Or you can just leave it alone. And there you go. There is our Scarecrow friend. All right, my friends, here is today's finished project. I really like how it turned out, and I hope you have as much fun with it as well. Before we go, I want to show you the book that was the inspiration for today's craft. This is the Scarecrow's Hat, and this is written and illustrated by Ken Brown. And this is a very fun story about a chicken who thinks that the Scarecrow's hat would be a perfect nest. But before the chicken can use the Scarecrow's hat as a nest, the chicken has to go on a journey and swap other items from other animals in order to get the Scarecrow's hat. This book is available with our Library to Go program. All right, my friends, I hope to see you on Wednesday between 3 and 4 for the 5 to 12-year-olds Craft and Go program. I'll see you soon.